This is a Glacier Bay dual flush toilet, and we have a slow leak which causes it to run every about 5 to 10 minutes. It'll run, and I'm going to show you how to fix it real quick. I've turned the water off. Let's drain the rest of the water. And then we need to remove this. All we do is spin it a little bit like that, and then it comes right out. Chances are this seal is bad, so we're going to replace this seal. Obviously, you're going to check and see if it's dirty or if there's any issues down where it seats down in the bottom. Then that'll be your problem, but I'm clean down there. I already checked it. So we're going to replace this seal. Got a new one from Home Depot. I'll put a link in the bio where you can buy one. This is your part number. That is the part number for the toilet right there. And then we just take it and squish it on. There we go. Nice. Done. Now, it's indexed, so here I'll show you. There's a little tab here and a tab there. You just need to line those up. Falls into place, and then twist it, and you're done. So that's it. Now we're going to turn the water on. We've got a new seal. Boom. Hope that helps you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out. Have a great day. Bye.